Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum. Greetings. Alishan here. Welcome to another video. If you are a hobbyist flying RC helicopters, driving these amazing little trucks, or flying the 3D RC helicopter, chances are you will need to maintain and or repair them regularly. Now, especially when it comes to people like us who are getting old, screwing and unscrewing a lot of the screws can get really tiring. When you are repairing things like this, there are tiniest screws possible that you don't want to lose. Luckily, we have there today in this video the ES666 and ES555 from Sequre, the electric screwdrivers that are going to come very handy, and of course will serve all your hobby maintenance and repair needs. So today in this video, let's get to work and let me show you these electric screwdrivers and why they are going to be very useful to you. Alright, as you have seen unboxing, I don't have to repeat this. These are the packages right here for you. Okay, plenty of bits in both of these, magnetizer and demagnetizer, and then you have electric screwdrivers. Now let's talk about the differences between these two. Okay, I personally of course like the ES666, and most probably people are gonna go for that, though slightly more costly compared to ES555, but you will find out very soon why you should go for this. Now both of these, as you can see, are identical in size and everything else, except that the ES666 has OLED screen, as you can see right here. Okay, it has an OLED screen, it has 6 different torque settings, okay, and also a bit of animation that shows the screw is screwing or unscrewing. Okay, and you do have menu as well. I'll show it to you. While the other side, ES555, does not have any such thing. It has just 3 LEDs for your battery levels and 3 LEDs right there for your torque settings. Okay, now another big difference is that when let me just put one bit on it. Okay, when you are talking about ES555, you can press the button and it has only one speed. Okay, if you press and hold, it just keeps going. All right, so press, it goes clockwise or anti-clockwise. Also notice that you have LED lights. Okay, so you can light up the area where you are putting the screw in or out. Okay, it is very handy. So it has 3 torque settings. Using this button you can set the torque as well. Okay, 1, 2, 3, and it's actually a pretty good torque. I cannot actually stop it by hand anyway, but it is really a very nice and torquey screwdriver right here. Also, it has an auto stop feature. Okay, so if the screw is tightened, it will auto stop rather than stripping the screw, which is a good thing. So this is just like a very basic version for you. But as I said, I like the ES666. Let me just show it to you. So first off, we have OLED. As you can see on the OLED, you have an animation right here. Okay, like the screw is going in and the screw is going out. Okay, it has auto torque feature. All right, and then you have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 and 6 different torque settings. Okay, normally I just use it on auto. Double, triple click this button, you will come down to menu where you have more options for you to configure and best use this screwdriver. So now the good thing about this is that it has a sensor. So you press the button and you rotate in the direction you want your screw to go, like clockwise or anti-clockwise, and you can see you can do it extremely slow, or as you rotate more it gets faster. So this is the auto torque and auto speed setting. All right, much to see on both of these Sequre screwdrivers. As you can see, there's a USB-C port there for you to charge the battery, built-in battery, and of course both of the screwdrivers also have LED lights built in. Now push the button and twist. Okay, the screw is out, And the good thing is, as you can see, the screw stays on the bit. Even if it is you know, not on the bit is not inside, you can see it actually, because of the magnetized bit, it will actually stay on the bit. It will not fall, which is a good thing. See that? Which is a very, very good thing. Now I'm gonna put this screw back in so you can see when you're tightening the screw, it will auto stop. All right, so here we are. See, once the screw is fully tightened, it will auto stop and it will not slip the screw. So it's really, you know, makes life very easy for you to remove the screws or put the screws, make the repairs. You know, instead of doing this, right? If you're all getting old like me, your hands will get tired once you are coming to 10 or 20 screws, you know. So this one is really very, very handy. Oh man, I did crash it real good. Okay, so this is the ES666. So it has only one speed settings, but 3 different torque. Let's just see if I can remove that. Oh, it just brings everything out until you press the button. So this is one thing, like I did not want this little screw to come out all the way. Okay, so you have to press the button again, but in terms of ES666, you just twist it and then stop it, twist and stop, so your screw comes out as much as you want. But in this case, it keeps moving, you have to press the button again. All right. But again, don't worry, because it does have the, you know, magnetized bit, so you're not gonna lose your, you know, screw. As you can see, I can move, twist the screwdriver and stop anytime I want, unlike ES666, where you have to, you know, push the button again of the screws you use. Oh man, look at that. I used to twist my wrists until I get really, really tired. But now with the ES666, these electric screwdrivers, really, the repairs are just a breeze. All right, people, I think there's nothing much to cover about these. Once again, these are very, very handy tools when it comes to repairing the RC. If you're a hobbyist, you might want to invest in one of these because they are going to prove very useful. When honestly I do repairs, often I get tired. My hands sometimes, like as I said, I'm getting old. My hands actually get tired very soon and painful. But with these, I can easily put a lot of screws in and out when I'm doing maintenance and repair on my RC helicopters, RC rock crawlers, and other RC stuff. So depending on what is your budget, you might want to go for ES666, but do remember it does not have a built-in sensor, so it only has you know, preset speeds. What you can do is press the buttons and use the screwdrivers for clockwise and anti-clockwise move. You have only 3 torque settings. It does have an auto stop, and also it does have a built-in LED. While it comes to you know, investing a bit more in a good tools, as I said, and yes, I do want to mention, when you want to do repairs, you do want to have good tools. Trust me on this one, okay? Good tools will make definitely life easier. So when it comes to ES666, you have an OLED screen built in, you have a lot more options, you have a lot more torque settings, 6 torque settings plus 1 auto, which is my personal favorite. So you can move the screw slowly, as slow as you want, with the twist, slow twist or faster twist of your wrist or the screwdriver. It has a built-in LED light and also auto stop feature, and both of the screwdrivers, of course, as you have seen, come with plenty of bits for you to use with. Thank you very much for watching this video. Once again, if you have any question, please feel free to drop your questions in the comment section, or feel free to email me at shopcreatec@gmail.com. That's shopcreatec@gmail.com, or alishanmao@gmail.com. Have fun, people. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that little bell icon, and turn on all the notifications so you stay updated for all the upcoming uploads. Enjoy and have fun. Come on, you know what to do. Hit that like button. It's right there. I know you can do it. Oh, while you're at it, also hit the subscribe button. Right there. Come on, don't be shy. Just hit it. Thank you very much for all your support towards my work, that I post regular and fresh content on my channel just for you. Hit that like button. Right?